Hey guys, welcome to today's adventure. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel. Ring that notification bell, and if you like what you see here today, give this video a big old like and a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Now, here we go.
Yep, we're good, man. All right.
First time on this one. I just love the feel of the wooden coaster.
I know, man.
Steel, you wouldn't have felt none of that choppiness.
You get 2 lift hills on this thing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Lone balloon. All right.
Trying to see them, I don't know where they are.
Yeah!
Oh yeah! And
Here we go!
that was good.
Oh yeah.
Woo. I don't know, I mean, you're not getting the airtime, but you're getting the side G-force from that one that the first one didn't give us.
Those laterals are incredible, man.
Brain feels like scrambled eggs.
All right.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further, ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.